Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dynamic Coder. Today we're going to discuss how to block application updates in Sophos Firewall. So let's get started. So here you can see that this is a basic topology that I took where my LAN Windows system that is connected via port A to Sophos Firewall and port V on the WAN side. Okay, and here you can see that I have logged into my test Sophos Firewall. So first thing we have to go is under protect. We have to go to application. Okay, and if you have rules and policies, so where your LAN policy is there, so there is, you can see LAN to WAN policy. You just enter to that rule, and here you can see that is there any application control policy attached or not. So as you can see that none of the web filtering, IPS and application control policy has been configured. Okay, so just go to application, and here you can see these are the default application filters that are created by Sophos Firewall. Just click on add, and here we can give name as LAN policy, correct, and save it. So here you can see that this is LAN policy. We have selected nothing. Just select this pen and enter this. Now you can see here that there is no application or any filter that has been added. So first click on add, and here you can see these are the categories. You can see that file transfer, gaming. So if for example if you want to block gaming in your environment, then you can see instant messenger means messenger application, then P2P applications also, then remote access, streaming media, VoIP. So these are blocked by default. Then mobile application software and download application that we discussed, conferencing, social networking, we want to block social networking also. E-commerce website, if you want that none of your employee can able to access any of the e-commerce websites, are also blocked. Just click on OK. So here you can see that these all applications are selected. Now risk. So there are under risk tab, there are certain risk involved that these are having very low risk. So 634 are low risk. So if we want to block high risk, so let's see very high, high and medium. So we click on OK. So all those websites are selected who has very high, high and medium risk factor. Characteristics, there are characteristics given as vulnerabilities and all, you can select that as well. Then technologies are also given as network protocol or browser based or client based or server based. Okay, so currently what we're going to do is that we select all these applications. Okay, and just scroll down, you want to do as action deny and click on save. So these are the basic selection of application that we did. As of now you can see Yahoo Messenger and Facebook and everything will be blocked, TikTok access, all VoIP applications you can see. So these all applications that are blocked, correct. Now in regards with block application updates, just click on add again, and here under category you can select is, I'll discuss these three things, that mobile applications. So basically why we need to block application updates. So the reason to block application updates are when in your environment if any personal devices are connected, for example mobile phones, iPads, laptops. Okay, when they are connected they have already enabled the updates, and when they connected to your environment the updates are resumed by default. Because of that a lot of bandwidth is consumed and you cannot able to identify the slowness of bandwidth in your organization. So those required devices did not able to receive those bandwidth. Because of that they find it trouble to work. Okay, because of that we need to block application updates. So here these are the three things we have to select. Mobile applications, so mobile applications are basically when a device is connected to the network, they just ask to update the device. So just select this mobile application and press OK. So here there is an option to select mobile applications, that which mobile application you want to deny. For example, to go to that, just select individual application. And for example, if we want to block Facebook, so here you can see that the Facebook, BlackBerry, Facebook, Android, we select all of these and we deny. So we can do it as individual also. If not, then we just select all. So all those mobile applications will be denied to access the Wi-Fi to update those applications. Okay, so this is about mobile applications. Just hold on for a while. This is rendering. We also have the option to select all the mobile applications. So you can see that these all are the mobile applications that we have blocked. And if you want to do it individually, so I showed you that also. Select individual and click on this filter. If that contains Apple, apply. So you can see Apple FaceTime, Apple Maps, Apple OTA updates. So we just block to OTA updates and we deny and save. So this is all about mobile applications. Now download applications. So just click here, and here you can see under category you can see download applications. So when they connect to your Wi-Fi, they are not able to download any of the applications. Just click on OK, and here you can see all these applications that are blocked. So we have selected all the applications, whether they are cloud applications, whether they are softwares, or just click on deny and save. The third thing here is software updates. So basically software update means that when they connect to your Wi-Fi, the softwares they are going to update by default, and that will also that will take so much of your bandwidth. So you can see Adobe software is there, then this is antivirus update, then Bitdefender update. These all are antivirus updates and file transfer update. So these all are technology as browser based, client based. So all those applications you can see, these also antivirus, Kaspersky, McAfee, Norton, Nimbus, all those updates will be removed. Samsung updates. So when your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, all these updates will be blocked and they cannot able to access it. Just click on deny and save. Now let's take an example that if you get an update that you need to enable Facebook. Okay, so what you do is just select mobile applications, okay, and click on OK, or download applications that you want Facebook to be download, and mobile applications also. Just select all of these three, and if you want to allow Facebook, just click here and that contains Facebook. So you can see these all are Facebook. We just select all and we allow and click on save. But you should keep in mind that the Facebook should always comes on the top. If that is on second place, you can move this also, because you can able to move it in Sophos Firewall. Okay, now click on save, and this LAN policy has been saved. Now click on go to rules and policies, and here now you can able to do is LAN to WAN. Select that policy, and here this is our application control. Now select LAN policy and click on save. So this is how you can able to block the application updates in Sophos Firewall. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching the video.